Hello, I am Janet Massey, and I am here just to introduce my self-lymph or self-lymphatic massage classes. They are awesome, and you can go to janetmassey.com if you want. I'm going to explain, kind of why and what and who, and but janetmassey.com right now. I don't know if this will change, but under sign up, you can get downloadable versions. You can do a drop-in class or the Align membership. I think is the best because you can come to unlimited live and you can have unlimited streaming of a number of different classes within that, and then whole different sections, because I add a lot of stuff into the Self-Lymph membership because it's fun. Like we have a live monthly Q&A that you get to come to, and all that stuff. And so anyway, I just wanted to share, okay, why would we do self-lymph massage? Well, we have this lymphatic system. It's super amazing and awesome. It's a massive part of our immune system, and our cardiovascular system pumps blood throughout our body. And as it does, it leaks out fluid, like 30% of its fluid. Something has to pick it up, and the lymphatic system is the only system that does that. So it is working constantly. And it is a system that is designed for us to participate in. So we don't have to do self-lymph massage, but it is designed like the heart has a pump. The cardiovascular system has the heart to pump it. That's what I meant. But the lymphatic system doesn't have a pump. Okay. So it relies on us moving our joints, contracting our muscles, moving our skin. And moving the skin is the most effective, but just as we move throughout the day, that is what it relies on to move us, to move this fluid. And whether because of chronic illness or just because of lifestyle, we often aren't moving throughout every day. And so it is so valuable to support our lymphatic system more, which doing the most effective thing, which is moving the skin. And the thing is, we are designed to participate in it. So we get to, I see it as such a big privilege, and it's just such a great way to care for our body. I see it as the most gentle somatic exercise, if you know what that is, that we do. It's just such gentle self-care. And our body receives it as such. Wow, I am gently being cared for. Wow, maybe I'll start trusting this person. We want our body to trust us so it responds to us, and we're teaching it that we care by doing this. So that's what we're doing. And then I know I have a whole video addressing this, but I'll just touch on that. People tend to think that, they couldn't do self-lymph massage because there's going to be some big detox effect. And in all the research I've done, I have a doctorate in physical therapy, and then I'm a certified manual lymphatic drainage therapist, which is what we call lymphatic massage, manual lymphatic drainage. There is no indication of that. So I know people have a fear of it, and they've been taught that anything that has to do with detoxing our body is going to have that, but lymphatic drainage is different. We are manually supporting a system that's already working in our body, and they actually use it in hospice care and palliative care. So it's considered supportive and kind and gentle. And the more people know that, the more I see that they don't have any negative effects to it. But their minds are powerful. So chuck out that stuff that we don't see in research and just say, I can do this. I can try it, right? I can see where my window of tolerance is and step forward. But anyway, I think there's a lot of fear there, and I didn't know how much fear because I was not taught it at all for this. I was taught it for lots of other things, but not for lymphatic massage. So in coming out of the worst of my healing journey, I actually did self-lymphatic massage hours a day because it was the most gentle thing I could do for myself. And I was laying in bed, but I couldn't lay still. And so instead of being hard on myself, I did this, and it was so gentle. And so anyway, that all being said, we just have up to one a week. That is what I made time for in the schedule, but it's an hour long, and we do the whole body. In the membership, I have shorter versions, really short, medium short, and then even a longer version that addresses a different layer. And we have some exercises and breathing and some other things within the Align membership that are just really valuable bonuses, like the Q&A and faith resources and my Happy Feet workshop. And I just throw things in there because it's fun. But it's so gentle to take care of your lymphatic system. So I guide you through, and it's the same every week in the live class because the lymphatic system works the same every week. And we're not just stirring it up, we're actually directing the fluid and moving it. And it moves like even in just directly from the lymph nodes, it can go straight back into the cardiovascular system if it's supported. And then the rest of it, we move through the lymphatic system back to the cardiovascular system. So we're actually unloading this system and caring for it. And it is fun. And we have fun in the live classes. So anyway, join us. Join us for live classes or the Align membership where you can do live and recorded, or the downloadable classes, and janetmassey.com. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Have a wonderful day.